Welcome to our second round in the upper bracket here. Both of these alliances won their first matches, meaning the stakes are a little lower for this one than for our next match, but the winner will move on to the finals. All robots are hopping into action here as 498 and Phoenix run into each other there in the middle of the field. 498 Cobra going for that cone on the human player station as Phoenix Robotics herds cones back into their community. Degrees of Freedom lining up for that cone node, and they place it down. Plasma Robotics running their quick cube cycles. Their Alliance 498 going for the cones instead. Looks like we have a bit of a popped cube situation there on the Red Alliance human player station as 498 dropping off another cone there into their station. Over on the blue side of the field, 6413 Degrees of Freedom dropping off yet another cone as 498 goes to run defense. They have another cone stuck in their robot, it appears, as their alliance partners, Team Plasma Robotics, 2403 going for another score. A bit of a traffic jam here in the middle of the field as we see 498 pushing around the blue alliance. Team 6833 working to carry a cone across the field from their human player station as 6413 Degrees of Freedom held in a pin there by 498. Team 2403 dropping off a cube there into the red grid. One more rather, game piece left for red on the blue side. 6833 dropping off another cone. Red Alliance with the advantage with just over 30 seconds left in the match. 6413 Degrees of Freedom going for that cone in their human player station, spinning it around and passing it through their robot. As we see our 30-second warning there up on the board. Looks like we have some difficulty there. 6833 with a loose USB cable as their alliance partner 6413 carefully placing a cone down onto the grid. We have one red robot ready to go up. Plasma Robotics lining up as well. Blue Alliance, will we see level? We are level on red. Will we get a double-double here on the field? 6813 trying to level just in time, and they are short of that level charge station. We'll be right back with your final scores in just a moment. And your scores. The Red Alliance taking the victory with a score of 91-45. The difference there being those charge station points at the end. Those are valuable, getting that level charging station. Red Alliance